This is Greece, a mythical country to say the least. The perfect place for a romantic holiday, spending unforgettable moments with your significant other, enjoying the warm, clear waters of the island, witnessing some of the most stunning views in the world.
And if you watched my videos before, you know you're in for an adventure.
I lost my GoPro!
This is just not freaking real.
Do you like the temperatures?
So strong here! I told them that I lost my drone, if I may be allowed to go and look for it.
Oh my god.
Greece isn't just a place, it's a feeling. So make sure to subscribe and join us on this epic journey.
Welcome to the last episode of the crazy backpacking adventure through Greece. This is Alike's camping site, our last base camp in Zakynthos. We traveled from Santorini to Naxos, from there to Mykonos, where we wild camped with horses, from Mykonos to the mainland to Rafina, and from there we reached Athens. And finally we left Athens for Zakynthos, one of the most impressive islands in Greece. But now it's time for the final adventure, and oh boy, what an adventure! Enjoy watching until the end, because it's gonna get wild, trust me.
Yo! Look at this, look at the turtle! Yes! Woohoo!
It's coming up, baby! Whoa!
Wow!
Yes, a turtle!
And again and again!
Yo!
Again and again! More shots for photo! It's a really big male!
Okay, so we made it now to the island, where we were supposed to have a chill time for around 1 hour. Now we are going to land on the beach, and the crazy story is about to unfold. I couldn't believe it. As you can see, I am flying the drone and I'm capturing this nice view. But there is one little problem. I wasn't paying attention at all where the drone is. I was speechless.
I'm going to tell you exactly right now what happened. Look at me. I am totally scratched and fucked up. I am really scratched. I don't even know how my body looks like on my back. I am completely destroyed. Oh my god, I cannot believe. So I was on this island and I flew with a drone and I was on this one automatic modes, and I noticed too late that the canopy was too close to the camera. I have a DJI Mini 2, So it crashed somewhere here in the canopy, and I was here with a boat to have a nice swim on the island and have fun and so on, turtle seeing and whatever, carry caves, jumping in the water, and I lost my drone. My drone hit this canopy here, and I am right now looking for it, and I cannot believe, look what I found. Oh my god, I cannot believe I found the drone. And the camera is still, oh my god, the SD card is still inside. Because I have all the footage from Greece. I have all the footage from Greece here. Oh my god, I cannot believe. I am so freaking lucky. I am so freaking lucky once again. Jesus Christ, on this trip I lost my GoPro twice, and now also the drone, and I found it. It is absolutely insane. I didn't even have flashing and beeping. I was just looking in the direction where I thought it might be, because I saw the coordinates, the last coordinates. Now it's all about going down. I don't care how scratched I get. Look at this. I don't even know how to show you my back. Sorry if I'm blabbering too much, but I am really excited. I cannot believe I found this drone. I cannot believe I found it. I thought that's it. So I spoke with these people from the boat. I told them that I lost my drone, if I may be allowed to go and look for it, search for it, because on this
Alright, so as we landed on the beach, I took off with the drone because I wanted to make sure that I have some beautiful footage of the island. I was in automatic mode, didn't pay attention to the altitude, and you saw what happened. The beach was separated from the rest of the island by a rope, so I knew I have no chance to go and look for the drone. After the drone crashed, I could have cried, because all the footage of Greece was on that SD card. 5 to 10 minutes after the crash, I politely asked the staff if I was allowed to look for the drone. To my surprise, they allowed me to go, but they told me in 30 minutes they leave. As I was looking for the drone, the staff told my girlfriend that they leave, but they come back later with a fresh batch of tourists, and we can board the boat later. I was happy to hear that. That gave me time to find the drone. Around this area is where the drone crashed. My body was burning and aching, but I was happy. But now let's lift up the spirits with the last amazing shots of Zakynthos and its pristine turquoise blue waters.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. Baby, this is
Ladies and gentlemen, we've now arrived at our final destination. So we will have a swimming stop here and watch the sunset.
So what I was trying to say before is that this spot is exactly the one that we've seen from up here in the previous episode. So if you want to see a mind-blowing landscape, check this video in the top right corner. It couldn't have turned better considering the fact that I almost lost my drone and got scratched like hell. For those of you who really enjoyed this video, let me show you the aftermath of looking for the drone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Yeah, no, I'm filming.
Okay, go closer.
Wait, look at this.
Yeah. There's a lot to look at.
Here in the back. From this light, this is looking good, yeah. Just look at this. Oh yeah. But the drone is back.
The same day we boarded the plane back home with a head full of memories, a heart enriched with happiness, and a strong uplifted spirit. Greece was not only a holiday, definitely not your typical vacation, but an unforgettable journey filled with intense adventures and unique experiences. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to drop a like, click hype, and subscribe to my channel for many more crazy adventures to come. Greece, you won't be forgotten.